Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you what is the shortcut for opening settings in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So Windows introduced new settings in after the launch of Windows 10 and Windows 10. Then before that we have control panel, but now we have a settings page to access most things wherever we can access through the control panel. So the shortcut is very simple. Just press Window key plus I. Okay, this is working with every Windows laptops with 8 and 10 and 11. Currently I'm using Windows 11, so you can see here, and this working. Okay, so this is the shortcut to opening Windows settings. Just press Window key plus I. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.